Today, I'm going to teach you how are you and goodbye. That's what we're going to learn in Chinese. How are you? It's 你好吗? 你好吗? 你 means you. Think about your knee, ni, but you pronounce ni. 你好. Say it with me.
你好.
Okay, so first two words, they are the same way, a little bit sweet, like a 你好. So say it with me. 你好.
你好.
So if you hear ma at the end of the sentence, when Chinese talking, that means they are questioning, they are asking something, okay? So we do it, 你好吗? Say it with me.
你好吗?
Okay, that means, how are you?
How do you say the ma? You go up?
Yeah, go up. So that's a question mark, right?
Oh, okay.
So, ma.
Ma?
Yes, so, 你好吗?
你好吗?
Perfect, that means, how are you? Now you have a good start. You want to have a happy ending. You want to say goodbye to your Chinese friend, right?
Yeah.
You want to say 再见. So both words, they are firm. 再见. So say it with me. 再见.
Zai Jen.
I notice 再 is not easy. There's no English word for that. So let's do one at a time. 再
Zai.
再
Zai.
再
Zai.
Okay, that's not, maybe do it lighter. 再
Zai.
Okay, not much S there. So do it.
Ooh, that's
Zai.
hard. Zai.
Oh, yes, that's light. It's good. Very, very good. So not that strong on the S, right? But it's firm. You have a question?
Yeah, so do you touch your teeth with your tongue or not really?
Yeah. So your tongue, right? Touch a little bit
Just
of
a
your
little bit.
upper teeth, but not like a
Yeah,
Zai.
not a big S. Yep.
Not like a Zai or Zai. It's Zai.
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 Perfect. But firm. Zai.
And then I noticed that if I open my mouth up wide, it's easier.
Okay.
Zai.
Oh, perfect. Wonderful. That's right. Zai.
Zai.
Perfect.
Yeah, open your mouth.
Not much on the S, not strong, but it's just a firm tone, but then not too much on the S. 见
Jen.
见
Jen.
That's a firm too.
Okay.
So 再见
Zai. Jen.
Perfect. Now you know how to say how are you and goodbye to your Chinese friend.